Jaintia National Council bar Jaintia Student Union Sngi baar kilayalam ya jingïada paidbah Sha Office Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council Dawa ya jing Tuklar Halor jing Keno Badon jing Bakla Sinshar Khadar bat jing Thombor ya jaka paidbah ilaka Nongkli East Jaintia Hills Kiseng kila Aitiru Khubor Khasi Shaka Council da Dawa Weng Mardor yu Dolloi ilaka Nongkli Katkum Jnc Jsu Dolloi ulapen Kenya ki District Council da baplela di project di motion halum serman klembut iki kindon ai. Kila kenoru baki agent Shree Semen kila le jubor ki jaka ki trai shnong kinong kila kintu ya JHADC bantu klar mardor bniah kahong mat ki jaka jong ki trai mulong. Kani Sngi Chief Executive Member JHADC Shimladon Office bat ki he council kila ong ba ulami no shwa jingwan jong kinhun.
JHDC himnya ketika kle dalam kle dia berhubungi Sri Simen Gore tentang kapasitas umumnya jadi itu slogan open power sepatutnya hari negeri Dolloi nongkle, Dolloi nongkle, Dolloi nongkle, Dolloi nongkle, Dolloi nongkle, ni dawa, dia seprong, ye hok uya.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.